We are also going to look at some scenarios in which we are given the profit or loss either in the dollar value or in the percentage value, but we are required to find either the selling price or the cost price. One of those might be unknown and we are required to find those. So consider this scenario that in which the average selling price of laptop sold by a certain store is $450. Okay, so this is the average selling price, means the price of one piece. You might have been selling at a variety of prices, but the average of each piece comes out to be $450. That's how this statement reads. Okay, if the average profit is $50 only, what is the cost price? So the cost price is unknown to us and we are required to find that. Now let us go back to our equation. How do you calculate profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price. Simple enough, right? Now in this case, what is given to us is selling price is $450. The cost price is unknown, but we know the profit value and the profit value is $50. Now there is an equation with three values and two of them are known to us. Third is unknown and we can simply find it. What you do is, in one step, we are going to solve it. Look at this equal sign, right? What is unknown to us? The cost price. Let's bring that from right hand to the left hand. And as we do so, the negative sign in front of cost price will change, correct? Because we are transferring from right hand to the left hand. And as we do so, this becomes positive. Equal sign remains as it is. $450 will remain as it is. And then we transfer this $50, which is on the left hand side, and we bring it to the right hand side right here. Okay, and as we do so, the sign value in front of 50 will change. Now it will become negative $50 because we are taking it to the other side, right? Now you have a simple mathematics problem, 450 minus 50, and that becomes $400. So the cost price of each laptop on an average is $400. To continue our learning on finding the selling price or the cost price from the profit and loss percentage, let us look at one more scenario in which a smartphone is purchased at the cost of $500 and the store owner makes a profit of 10%. We are required to find the selling price. Okay, so let's put down what we know. The cost price is what we know. The profit in percentage is what we know, right? Right here. And we need to find the selling price that is unknown to us. So first, let us write down our model equation in which we are saying that the profit as in percentage is equal to profit in dollars, right? Divided by the cost price times 100, and that is my percentage value, right? So let us input everything that we know in this equation. 10 is equal to, 10 is coming right from here, the profit as percentage is equal to profit as in dollars divided by the cost price. The cost price is 500, correct? Times 100. We have everything, we have one unknown, all else is numbers. So let us solve it. So 500, these two zeros cancel, and I can multiply both sides with 5 of this equation. As I do so, this 5 will cancel. So finally, I get that my profit as in dollars will be 5 times 10 right from here, correct? So this becomes $50. Okay, now we know the model equation for calculating the profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Simple enough, right? We know that from this calculation, this is $50 right from here. And the selling price is unknown, of course. And the cost price right from here, it is 500. Okay, now we simply, what we do is we add 500 on both sides. Let's do so. Okay, equation remains balanced. This becomes 550, right? And this becomes 500 cancels. Only thing remains is selling price. So my selling price is $550.